Megan McClure is a circus artist, juggler, cat enthusiast, and duck watcher, originally from New Hampshire. She doesn't have any food allergies, but is allergic to dropping when she juggles. Please welcome Megan McClure.
Buzz, buzz. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know the plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know the plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees. Bees are insects living all over the earth. They move seeds from flowers so flowers can give birth. Bees have 6 legs and make honey for us. When they fly around, they make a funny buzz. Bees' wings flap about 200 times a second. They all live together in a colony. Bees make the world a much better place. Sometimes I wish that I was a honeybee. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know that plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know that plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees. They buzzing in the trap. They buzzing in the trap. They're making all the honey and it's sunny in the trap. They got colonies hanging from the limbs on the trees. You know the world is a much better place cause of bees. Buzz, 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 buzz. Yeah, do that buzz, 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 buzz. Yeah, do that buzz, 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 buzz. Yeah, do that buzz, 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 buzz. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know the plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees. I'm eating honey and it's made by some bees. You know the plants are pollinated by bees. You know that bees live in flowers and trees. Almost every country has a species of bees.
Yeah!
Put your hands together.